Hello and welcome back to eDakshina. Today I am covering a new topic in JavaScript, that is map. Okay, but before we start, let us know in brief what map is and why we use it. Okay, so map is a collection of key value data items just like an object. Okay, but the main difference is that map allows keys of any data type. So we have already studied object data type, and in object data type we know keys are in the form of strings. Okay, so there was a constraint that the key values should be string only. To overcome this, we have a new data structure which is map. So here we can use keys of any data type. Now let us see this with the help of program. तो शुरू करते हैं आज का टॉपिक. So we are going to do some programming related with map topic. Okay, so let us comment here, creating a map with various keys. Okay, or you can say various data type keys. So how we create map in JavaScript? So we take a variable where my map equals new map and then bracket close and semicolon. So this is the line which helps us in creating a map data structure. Okay, so with the help of new keyword we create a map data structure. Now in the next line, so let us comment also here, taking different data type as keys. Okay, now we will define three variables. Okay, and we will assign some data types to them which will act as a key in map. So let us see that also. So where key1 equal in double quotes string key. Okay, where key2 equals be an object, so we are creating an object here, so name then colon and in double quotes we write object key, then double quotes close, curly brace close and semicolon. So this is how we create an object. हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं. Those who don't know how to create an object, they can watch the tutorial. I will share the link in the comment box. Next, where key3 equals function console.log and we can write here function key. Okay, ऑलराइट. सो अभी हम लोगों ने क्या किया, एक मैप क्रिएट किया और उसके अंदर थ्री डिफरेंट डेटा टाइप्स की कीज को असाइन किया. ओके, नाउ वी विल ऐड दीज की एंड इट्स वैल्यूज इनटू द मैप. ओके, अभी जो हमारी कीज हैं वो मैप में स्टोर नहीं हुई है, दे आर जस्ट डिफाइंड इन द प्रोग्राम right now. So how we store key and value pair inside the map? Let us see that. For that we use set method of map data structure. So let us see that. So let us comment here, adding entries in the map. Okay, so how we add any entry in the map? Let us see that. So we will take my map instance and then we use dot operator and then we use set method. So set, and inside set we pass key and value as an argument. So first is key1 and its value, so we pass comma and in double quotes we pass some string like e dakshina. Okay, then same way we take another map instance and set method, and inside set method we pass key2 and some value, suppose we pass here tutorial. This values can be anything. Okay, then again my map instance set method and we pass some, and we pass another key which is key3 and some value like JavaScript. Alright, so we have added the entries in the map now with the help of set method. Now in the next line we will retrieve the values. So now we are going to retrieve the values from the map. So let us comment here, retrieve the values from map. Okay, so what we do is inside console.log we will take my map instance, so my map and plot operator and get method of this my map instance. Okay, and inside get we pass the key as an argument of which we have to get the values. So we are passing key1. Okay, now same way we can get all the values of key1, key2 and key3. So copy paste it and change the key value key2 and key3 here. So this is our complete program for map data structure. So now run this. So we are getting an error on line number 15. Okay, my map, हम लोगों ने क्या किया है, m को small कर दिया है, so make it capital. Now again clear the screen and run it. So here is the output. We are getting the values of all the keys, key1, key2 and key3, which is eDakshina tutorial JavaScript. Okay, so map has more edge than other data types like object, which only store a string as a key, whereas here in map you can use function, object as well as string as a key. Okay, so the next is, can we use iteration on map? So let us see that also. So yeah, we can use iteration on map data structure. Okay, so first we will create a map, then we will use for each method and for of loop for iteration, and we will see the difference between for each and for of loop iteration. Okay, so where my map equals new map. Next, now we are going to set the values. So my map dot set key and values, key 1, okay, like this, and comma वैल्यू 1 एंड सेमीकोलन इन द लास्ट. सो इस तरह से हम लोग दो वैल्यू और कॉपी कर लेते हैं. ओके, एंड पेस्ट इट एंड चेंज द की वैल्यू, key 2 and key 3, here value 2 and value 3, like this. So now we have a map and we have set 3 keys and its values. Now we are going to use for each method. So comment here using for each method. Okay, now let us see how we use for each method here. So our instance, which is my map, okay, dot for each. So let us see a small theory here, what we use inside for each. So here we use callback function, and inside callback function we pass 3 parameters. So first is current value, okay, then second is index of the current value element, and third is our array or map, okay, like this, and then is our statement over here. So now let us pass the callback function over here. Okay, so we are passing here value comma key, and we are using arrow function here. Okay, now we will display the key and value on the console. Okay, use console dot log, then backtick open, and inside it we can display the statement like key name, and for values we use $, curly brace, then variable name, which is key here, which is your argument which is passed inside the callback function. Okay, then curly brace close, and now value name, again $, then curly brace, and pass another argument which is value and curly brace close. Okay, and in the last semicolon here, remove this. So this is your for each method. Now here this whole thing is, which is in light blue shade, is your callback function. Okay, and it is taking 2 parameters, value and key. Now when you run this, here is the output, key name key 1, value name value 1, like this. We have all the 3 keys and 3 values. We can separate here, comma here. Okay, run it. So we have key 1, key 2, key 3, and value 1, value 2, value 3. You can use colon also here for better display. Okay, like this. So this is how we iterate on map using for each. Now the difference between for each and for of, we will see that also. Now we will use for of loop. Now let us see how we use for of loop on map data structure. So give a comment here using for of loop. Okay, same way console dot log, and we will pass the statement here using for of loop. Okay, so थोड़ी सी थ्योरी देख लेते हैं for of की. For then is your variables of iterable, and जो भी स्टेटमेंट हमारी होगी प्रोग्राम की वो कर्ली ब्रेस के अंदर. ओके, सो वेरिएबल्स यहाँ पे क्या है, ये मल्टीपल वेरिएबल हो सकते हैं लाइक ABC. ओके, एंड इटरेबल यहाँ पे हमारे स्ट्रिंग, मैप, एरे. ओके, इनमें से कोई भी हो सकता है. ओके, सो डिलीट दिस नाउ. सो नाउ लेट अस सी for of loop. Okay, so for const, and now we are using destructuring. Okay, so destructuring क्या होता है, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स के अंदर हम लोग जो वेरिएबल होते हैं उनको प्लेस करते हैं. ओके, सो की comma value here, then of and our instance which is my map. Okay, so before writing our next statement, let us understand what destructuring is. So हम लोग इसी प्रोग्राम में destructuring समझ लेते हैं. रिमूव दिस मच, आई एम रिमूविंग दिस मच. ओके, एंड क्लियरिंग द स्क्रीन. सो ये हमारा एक मैप है और उसके अंदर हम लोगों ने वैल्यूज एंड की सेट कर दी हैं. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हम लोग फॉर ऑफ लूप नॉर्मली यूज करके देखते हैं. फॉर const some variable like entry of and our instance which is my map here, और इसे कंसोल पे प्रिंट करा लेते हैं. सो कंसोल डॉट लॉग entry. Okay, like this. Now run this. सो आप देख लो हमें एरे मिल रहा है, ओके। इनसाइड एरे हमको की और वैल्यू का पेयर मिल रहा है, बट जो हम लोग प्रोग्राम इससे पहले हम लोग जो यूज़ कर रहे थे प्रोग्राम, उसमें हमको की और वैल्यू एज ए सेपरेट वेरिएबल चाहिए, ओके। सो उसके लिए हम लोग डिस्ट्रक्चरिंग यूज़ करते हैं। सो डिस्ट्रक्चरिंग में क्या होता है, जो हमारा एरे है वो सेपरेट वेरिएबल्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, ओके। सो की में की वैल्यू हमें मिल जाएगी और वैल्यू में हमें वैल्यू एज ए आउटपुट मिल जाएगी, ओके। सो आई होप इट इज़ क्लियर कि अगर हम लोग नॉर्मली फॉर ऑफ का यूज़ करते हैं देन वी गेट an array as an output. So to get separate values of these variable key and value, we are using destructuring. So remove this and then back to our main program. Now clear this screen also. So we are using square bracket for destructuring. So now in the next line, if key equivalent to key 2, okay, then what we have to continue. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा, skip कर जाएगा हमारा iteration, skip the iteration. So for each and for of में difference क्या है, when we run for each it will go through all the entries in the map, okay, whereas in for of we can skip the loop and we can break also the loop. So for of has more control than for each method. Now in the next line, after curly brace console.log and get the key and value print, okay. So हम लोग इसको copy कर ले रहे हैं, line number 10, copy it and paste it over here. And now another if statement, if key equivalent to key 3, then what we will do, we will break the loop. It means exit from the loop, okay. So now let us run this. So you can see here is the output. For each is running for all the key value pairs, right, whereas in for of loop we are getting key 1 and key 3 values. So for of has more control on iteration than for each method. And if you have any doubt then please comment in the comment section. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ट्यूटोरियल में, टिल देन गुड बाय एंड थैंक यू।